Very good morning to respected teachers, all my juniors and all my batchmates. Today I am Himanshi Ahuja
and I'm sharing Patel from class 12 Commerce, standing before you all to conduct today's assembly activity on this amazing topic called marketing. So now I would like to call.
Wait.
What?
Do you know about our topic marketing?
No. Can you please enlighten me?
Yeah, sure. Marketing is the process of promoting, selling and distributing products or services to satisfy our customers' need and want, while also achieving organizational goals. It involves understanding customer behavior, creating value and building relationships to drive business success.
Okay, now that was very helpful to know more about marketing. But Himanshi, have you ever wondered why we choose one product over the other, or why some advertisements stick in our mind?
No.
Now the answer lies in marketing techniques, a field full of strategy, innovation, and psychology.
Yes, I remember how Coca-Cola marketing strategy in 1931 helped create the modern image of Santa Claus as a cheerful red-suited figure.
Yes, so today Tanuj will help us to dive into the world of marketing techniques, giving us tools to think critically and creatively. So now I would like to call Tanuj for some amazing marketing techniques.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Tanuj Thakur from class 12, standing before you to tell you about marketing techniques with example. First example is of Balaji Wafers, who used grassroots marketing campaign wherein employees would visit local shops and ask for their products even if the store didn't stock them. This created the perception of customers' demand for their products. This is known as guerrilla marketing. Second example is of Asian Paints. They had a series of successful marketing strategies in India. The brand has not simply sold paints but has collaborated with designers, architects, decorators to closely understand what solution the average Indian customer is looking for when it comes to decorating their homes. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Tanuj.
Economics has been shaping civilizations for centuries, from the barter system to the digital economy of today.
To help us understand the life of this incredible journey, we would like to call Vidhi, who will introduce us to an important economic term.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my schoolmates. Today, the economic term is growth hacking. Growth hacking refers to a process of blending marketing, product and data strategies alongside experimentation to pinpoint the most effective ways to drive business growth. It is most commonly associated with startups and small businesses, that is, those organizations that don't have huge amount of cash to spare but need results quickly. The term growth hacking was coined by Alice in 2010. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidhi. Marketing isn't just about selling, it's about connecting, creating value, and making a difference.
Today we have Maithili with us who will share a quote that connects to the world of marketing. So now I would like to call Maithili Jaiswal for a quote.
Dear principal ma'am, teachers and all my juniors and classmates, quote for the day is, marketing is not about the stuff we make, but it's about the stories we tell. Thank you.
Thank you, Maithili. Now we have something exciting lined up for you all, a quiz.
This quiz is not just about answering questions, but about learning and having fun together. And to lead us through this quiz, we have a very talented student who will be our quiz master for today. So I would love to call Archit and Shivraj for quiz.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, today I Archit Jain and I Shivraj Samkar standing before you to conduct a quiz about marketing. So the first question is, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ मीठा हो जाए. This tagline is of which product?
Cadbury Jelly Bells.
Right answer. Second question, which company is known for its commitment to green marketing and sustainability practices? Options: Starbucks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, McDonald's.
Starbucks.
Correct answer. Third question. What is the meaning of SWOT analysis? First, selling products at a discounted price. Second, identifying strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. Third, developing a new advertisement. Fourth, conducting customer satisfaction. I'll repeat the question. What is the meaning of SWOT analysis? First, selling the products at discounted price. Second, identifying strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. Third, developing a advertisement. Conducting a customer satisfaction. Correct answer.
Fourth question. Fourth question. What is the primary goal for marketing? Option A, earning profits, spreading awareness, customer satisfaction, reducing cost.
Customer satisfaction.
Right answer.
And the last question is, which is the biggest marketing company in the world? First, iProspect, Word Consult, EZ Rankings, Accenture Interactive.
I'll repeat the options. A. iProspect, B. Word Consult, C. EZ Rankings, D. Accenture Interactive. Right answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun and Shivraj. As we come to the end of our today's morning assembly activity, let's take a moment to reflect on everything that we have discussed. Whether it was the exciting quiz, the insightful quote about marketing, or the thought-provoking announcements, let's carry this energy with us through the day.
Wishing you all a day full of learning, growth and success. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.